got this nice workbook here, and I can help you. Okay. Thanks, Big Ugly Hand.
Okay, these are pages 70 and 71 of the Let's Go 3 workbook. And on these pages, we're going to do the reading part because it's the Let's Read pages. So this page has phonics, and that page is a story to read. On this page, we're dealing with the SC, sk, and SM, sm sounds. And in your student books, these sounds and pictures look like this.
SM, sm, small. Smile, SC. Sk, scary. Scooter.
All right, for here, part A, let's just match them from the picture to the incomplete word and over to the sound, and then we'll write in the missing parts here. Number 1, this is a scooter, so we're looking for ooter. Ooter, there's ooter. And let's put in sk to make scooter. Sk, ooter, scooter. That's a sk word. Next one, this is a smile, so let's look for aisle. Here's aisle. Draw a line, and we're gonna add sm. Sm. Aisle, smile. And we'll draw it over to this one. Next, we have this one, and I think this is supposed to be scary. So we're gonna look for airy. Oh, here's airy. Draw a line and put in sk, sk, airy, scary, and draw a line to sk. The last one, big and small. So here's all. Draw a line up, and we'll add in sm. Sm, all, small. And draw a line down to sm. Part A is done. Okay, this is part B, and it just says circle. So we're gonna look at this picture and then circle the letters that make the word. And for this one, you can pretend, or you can just do like me and draw these dividers in here. To help you remember that in each column, there is only one letter allowed. Okay, so this is smile, so we need sm. So S, M, smile. I-L-E, smile. Number 2, they're watching a monster movie, so I think it's scary. Sk, S-C, airy. Airy, scary. Number 3, we've got big and small. So sm, sm, and then all. All, small. And we're done. Part B is all done. Okay, this is part C, and it just says read. So we're gonna read this story, and the story is The Smile Scooter. Okay, let's start. Number 1, let's go to the park. Okay, where's my scooter? So she has a scooter, so I think that she's talking to him. She rang the doorbell, and now she's asking him to come. He has to find his scooter. Is it in your garage? I don't think so. The garage is so scary. Is your scooter there? Oh, now I remember. It was in the kitchen yesterday. Wow, I like the small smile on your scooter. Thanks. And look at that. His sister, or maybe his mom? I don't know. This person painted it for him. Okay. Let's go to part D and answer some questions. Okay, question number 1 in part D says, what is scary? So let's look for the clue word scary and find out what thing or place is scary. Scary, 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 looking for scare. Oh, here's scary. It says, the garage is so scary. So what is scary? The garage is scary. The garage is scary. Next one, number 2. Where was the scooter yesterday? Okay, we're looking for yesterday as a clue word, scooter, and also we're going to look for a place because it's asking for where. Scooter. Okay, here's scooter, but he doesn't have any place here. Keep going. Scooter, 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 yesterday, scooter. There's scooter. No places there. Scooter, scooter, scooter. Oh, here's yesterday. And it says it. Oh, it means scooter here. So this is our answer. It was in the kitchen yesterday. So where was the scooter? It was in the kitchen. It was in the kitchen. Okay, number 3. What is on the scooter? Okay, so we gotta find the clue words on the scooter, or maybe just on. Where's on? Oh, I found it. On your scooter. So what is on the scooter? Let's find a thing. I like the small smile. Okay, so in this case, we're gonna put this part first because we should be saying what is on the scooter? Is on the scooter. So what? The small smile. The small smile is on the scooter. Is on the scooter. And all done. Very nice job, everybody.